Hey, this is Dave Hooke with Keller Williams of Central PA and the Dave Hooke team out of South Central Pennsylvania. On today's video blog, we're going to answer the question, what is the Brand Ambassador Program and why are we doing it? Stick around to find out. All right, on today's video blog, we're going to answer the question, what is the Brand Ambassador Program and why am I doing it? Well, if you've seen our social media content or video blogs via email, by now you may have heard of our Brand Ambassador Program, and it's a project that I'm pouring into for the next year and a half or so into 2020 that is very dear to my heart. You see, about 8 years ago, I almost quit real estate because I was getting burned out, and I felt like I was juggling a lot of balls myself. And we decided to form a real estate team, which essentially takes independent contractors who are operating independently and helps them converge to a common mission and a common marketing and a common brand that allows them to go further faster, to share information, and to operate towards common goals. And we wrapped that around a nonprofit called Project Lamplight that allowed us to take money that we made through our business and give back to the community to help random needs in the community in an anonymous way. We can talk more about that on another video blog, but we've been doing that for about 4 or 5 years, and the real estate team has seen growth in the realm of about 400 or 500% over 5 years. And we've been able to give over $100,000 away through the nonprofit Project Lamplight that we have to serve random urgent needs in the community. And now that we've seen that kind of growth and we see what a real team can do, it's become a bit of my passion to see if we can replicate that in the community. So the Brand Ambassador Program is our attempt to do just that. It's to go visit business owners all through the Cumberland Valley. And knowing how difficult and challenging business can be, I want to learn from those business owners and I want to ask them if they have any interest in partnering with me along with our brand in the community. And see, my real estate company is a bit of a marketing business and we market homes for sale. So we have a lot of marketing going on all the time. It would be pretty easy for us to partner with different business owners and allow them to share presence on our marketing materials and also attend masterminds throughout the course of the year so we can share information with other business owners and help them grow their business and help us grow ours. So it's a kind of a collective of business owners in the community that are working together to share information. And then perhaps as we converge and are able to be more and more prosperous, we can give money back to the community through a couple ways that I have a couple ideas about already. And we're going to share how we're going to do that in some videos in the future. But if you hear information about the Brand Ambassador Program, just know it's my intention to do 26 videos over the next year to take you along on that journey with me to meet business owners all over the community and share how they're doing and what their biggest struggles are. The other intention is to help them do better in their business, to help magnify their brand, and to help give back to the community. So if you know of anybody who might actually benefit from the Brand Ambassador Program and does business in a real good way, has a strong reputation in the community, I'd love to hear from you at the information below, and I'll be happy to reach out to them personally. Thanks so much for watching our video blog, and I hope to talk to you soon.